This galactic collision made a blast brighter than 1 trillion suns. The James Webb Space Telescope is observing what happens when two spiral galaxies crash into each other, and the result is something as bright as 1 trillion suns. If that's a magnitude beyond comprehension, try thinking of it this way: the entire Milky Way galaxy has a luminosity on par with just 10 billion suns. Scientists recently used the Space Observatory, a collaboration of NASA and the European and Canadian space agencies, to study the incredibly bright region, about 250 million light-years away in the Serpens constellation. The object glows brightest in infrared wavelengths invisible to the naked eye, making it an ideal subject for Webb, which detects light in the infrared. The collision, known as ARC 220, is the brightest of the three closest galaxies to the Milky Way. That name derives from its being the 220th object among Halton Arp's Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies, a catalogue of celestial oddities Caltech published in 1966. Such a sharp, gleaming composite image demonstrates the $10 billion Space Telescope's ability to collect extraordinary data from the distant universe. Scientists believe Webb will spur a golden age in our understanding of the cosmos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today and join us on a journey of discovery, learning, and fun. Researchers believe that as the two galaxies started combining about 700 million years ago, they ignited a rip-roaring burst of new stars. About 200 star clusters are within a dense, dusty region about 5,000 light-years across. The amount of gas found in this relatively small spot, just 5% the size of the Milky Way's breadth, is on par with all of the gas throughout our galaxy, according to the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore. Such a phenomenon is known as a ULUG, an ultra-luminous infrared galaxy. Cosmologists have theorized that ULUGs could be catalysts in the evolution of elliptical, or egg-shaped galaxies in the universe, according to the European Space Agency. Previously, radio telescopes saw 100 supernova, or star explosion, remnants in a section of ARC 220 spanning less than 500 light-years, and the Hubble Space Telescope discovered that the cores of its two parent galaxies are only 1,200 light-years apart. Each of the combining galactic cores is encircled by a rotating, star-forming ring blasting out the glaring light that Webb captured in infrared, according to the Institute in a post on April 17. This brilliant light creates a prominent, spiked, starburst feature. On a cosmic scale, the universe is constantly in motion. Galaxies, vast collections of stars and planets, move through space, sometimes colliding with one another. When galaxies collide, the result is a massive explosion of energy and light, known as a galactic collision. Recently, scientists have detected a galactic collision that has created a blast brighter than 1 trillion suns. This incredible event, which took place in a distant corner of the universe, has given researchers a rare opportunity to study the aftermath of a cosmic collision. The collision involved two massive galaxies, each containing billions of stars. As the two galaxies collided, their stars began to fuse together, creating a massive explosion of energy. This explosion produced an incredible amount of light, enough to outshine an entire galaxy. Scientists believe that these galactic collisions are an important part of the evolution of the universe. Over time, galaxies merge and form larger structures, such as galaxy clusters and superclusters. These structures, in turn, continue to grow and evolve, shaping the universe we see today. The recent galactic collision provides researchers with valuable insights into the physics of these events. By studying the light emitted by the explosion, scientists can learn about the properties of the stars involved and the conditions that led to the collision. They can also study the debris left behind by the collision, which can help them understand how galaxies are formed and how they evolve over time. But galactic collisions are not just important for science. They also serve as a reminder of the incredible scale and power of the universe. In a single collision, billions of stars can be destroyed, and an unimaginable amount of energy can be released. These events are a testament to the sheer size and complexity of the cosmos, and they inspire us to continue exploring and studying the universe around us. In conclusion, the recent galactic collision, that produced a blast brighter than 1 trillion suns, is an awe-inspiring event that has provided scientists with valuable insights into the workings of the universe. As we continue to study the aftermath of this collision and others like it, we will gain a deeper understanding of the physics and evolution of galaxies, and we will continue to marvel at the incredible power and beauty of the cosmos. Are you a fan of video content that is informative, entertaining, or just downright fun? If so, then you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel today and join us on a journey of discovery, learning, and fun.